All right, let's get right into it. Are you tired of digging through OneDrive to find files you have shared? In 30 seconds, I will show you exactly where they are. Here is the plan. We are going to click the Shared tab, and then we are going to filter it to show only files shared by you. That is it. Let us do this right now. So the problem is pretty common. You send someone a link to a file in OneDrive, or you share a whole folder with your team, and then a week later, you have no idea where it is in your own account. You have to scroll through your entire document list looking for that little share icon, or you just hope the person you sent it to still has the link. It is a mess. Let me show you the easiest way to fix that. To start, go ahead and open up OneDrive in your browser. I am going to be using the web version here. Once you are in, look at the navigation panel on the left side of the screen. You are going to see a few options there, like My Files, Recent, and Shared. You want to click on Shared. Now, once you click that, you are going to see a list of everything that has ever been shared with you by other people. That is helpful, but it is not what we are after right now. We want to see what we have sent out. So look at the top of this list. You will see a few filter options. One says Shared with you, and then right next to it, there is one that says By you. Click on By you. And just like that, the view changes completely. Now you are looking at a clean list of every single file and folder that you have actively shared with someone else. This includes anything you have sent a link for or any folder you have granted access to. It is all right here. This is the master list of your shared activity. I have tested this a few times on different accounts, and I want to point out something important that can trip people up. Even if you delete the file from your OneDrive, it might still show up in this By You list for a short while. So if you see something on this list that you thought you deleted, do not panic. Give it a few minutes for the system to sync up, and it will usually disappear. Another thing to note is that you can actually do a lot from this screen. You do not just have to look at the list. You can click on any file name to open it, or you can right-click it, or use the three dots menu next to it to manage permissions. If you need to stop sharing a file, this is the place to do it. Just find it here, click those three dots, and select Manage Access. You can remove people or turn off the link entirely. So there you have it. From not knowing where your shared files have disappeared to, you now have a direct list of everything you have shared. It really is just 2 clicks. Shared, then By you. If that helped you out, give this video a like and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.